And so thanks to our friends at ICREEFUN who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max case. You can see nice cutout for your camera module, nice MagSafe ring to help all your MagSafe accessories, completely clear back so you can see your phone, volume rockers, power button, cutout for your speakers and your USB-C port, and in the end, a very, very nice iPhone 15 Pro Max case from iCreefun. And special thanks to our friends at iCreefun who were nice enough to send us this clear iPhone 15 Pro Max case to unbox and show you. So let's open it up and see what we have here. So here is the clear iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So as you can see, completely clear all the way around to show off whichever color iPhone 15 Pro Max you buy. Got the volume rockers here, power button, your USB-C port and speaker grill, your MagSafe ring for all of your MagSafe accessories, and a cutout for your camera module. Other than that, it is a completely clear iPhone 15 Pro Max case to help protect your phone, but also show off your phone at the same time since it's completely clear. And special thanks to our friends at iCreefUn who were nice enough to send us this deep blue iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So let's open it up and take a look at it. All right. Whoa, looks good so far. So here is, oh dang, it almost looks black, but it's a deep blue iPhone 15 case, and you can see the magnetic ring here for your MagSafe, nice cutout for your camera lenses, and then a completely clear back to show off whichever color iPhone 15 Pro Max you may have, and then of course power button, your volume rocker. Yeah, this is essentially the case that you would get. Nice and bendable, but nice grip there. But it would look beautiful on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And special thanks to our friends at iCreefUn who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max gold case. So let's open up this gold iPhone 15 Pro Max case. See what we have here. All right. Oh, look at that gold. So here we are. Wow. So this is the gold iPhone 15 Pro Max case from iCreefUn. You can see nice cutout for your camera module, completely clear back to show off your phone and your Apple logo. Nice MagSafe ring to help all your MagSafe accessories, speaker grill and USB-C port cutout, power button, and of course your volume rockers here. Very, very nice gold iPhone 15 Pro Max case. And that will essentially do it for this unboxing. Thanks again to iCreefUn who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.